Wake up early in the morning. The successful people start their day early. Brush your teeth twice a day. It gives yourself more confidence when talking with others. Take a bath daily. It can improve your mental and emotional health. Comb your hair daily. It promotes blood circulation in the scalp. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Regular hand washing can prevent the spread of infections. Reach school on time. It helps to manage time efficiently and achieve their goals in life. Study regularly. Makes us skilled. Get good score in exams. Makes us a good student. Eat fresh and healthy food. We can live a disease-free life by eating high-quality nutritional food. Use a tissue or kerchief when you cough or sneeze to help stop the spread of germs. Throw the trash in bin. Keeps the environment clean and fresh.